In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. The COUNTIF function is a simple but very useful tool in Excel. It allows you to count how many cells in a selected range meet one specific condition, which is also called a criterion. This is especially helpful when you are working with lists and want to quickly find out how many times a certain value appears without counting manually. To understand how COUNTIF works, it helps to know its two main parts. The first argument is the range. This is the group of cells you want Excel to check. The second argument is the criteria. This is the condition that tells Excel what to count. In other words, you are telling Excel where to look and then what to look for. Now let's go through a simple example where we count a specific text value. Imagine you have a list of items in cells A2 through A7 and you want to find out how many times the word apple appears in that list. To do this, click on any empty cell where you want the result to appear. Then type the formula equals COUNTIF, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the range A2 to A7, add a comma, and then type apple inside quotation marks. The full formula should look like this: equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, A2 colon A7, comma, quotation mark, apple quotation mark, close parenthesis. When you press enter, Excel will return the result. In this example, the result is 3, which means the word apple appears 3 times in that range. A helpful thing to remember is that text criteria should be placed inside quotation marks, just like in this example. Also, make sure the range you select includes all the cells you want to evaluate, otherwise your count may be incomplete. If your list changes often, it's a good idea to double check your selected range before relying on the result. COUNTIF is great for counting repeated text, checking categories, and summarizing simple data quickly. Once you understand the pattern of range and criteria, the function becomes very easy to use in all kinds of worksheets. And that's how to use COUNTIF in Microsoft Excel.